Now, let's crochet the legs of alpaca with white yarn together. We will need to start with slip knot and insert hook into round 19 from bottom of body and the slip knot to work to chain stitches. 3 double crochet popcorn and 1 slip stitch on round 20 to fasten off. Take out the white yarn, loop the yarn once around your pinky. Wrapping the yarn around your index finger, hold on the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Put your hook under the yarn, rotate hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Pull tight. So, we got 1 slip knot. Pull the hook out of the loop. Take out the alpaca and turn the head facing you. Find the stitch on round 19, counted from the top of the body. Insert your hook into the stitch on round 19 of body. And hook into the slip knot, pulling the slip knot through the stitch. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch. Repeat with 1 chain stitch. See 2 stitches. Next, insert hook into the same stitch and work 3 double crochet popcorn. Yarn over and insert hook into the first stitch where we insert the hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through. See 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through last 2 loops to make 1 double crochet. Yarn over and insert hook into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through last 2 loops to make the second double crochet. Repeat with 1 double crochet in the same stitch. The third double crochet. See 3 stitches. Pull the hook out of the loop. This is the first double crochet. Insert hook into the first double crochet stitch. And hook into the last loop of the third double crochet, pulling the last loop through the first double crochet stitch to form a raised, textured cluster. Then, yarn over and pull through the loop on hook. And insert hook into the stitch on round 20 of body to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 2-inch long tail. Cut off the yarn and pull tight. And insert the needle inside and pull yarn through somewhere on the other side of the body. Poke the yarn tail inside the body to hide it. Finished 1 leg piece, we need to crochet another leg piece in the same way. We can also work slip knot and insert hook into round 19 from bottom of body and the slip knot to work 2 chain stitches, 3 double crochet popcorn and 1 slip stitch on round 20 in the same way as the first leg piece to crochet another 3 legs. Finished the legs.